Hey guys, so today I'm working on 2018 Kia Rio, a 1.6. I'm doing this video because there's like a little ticking noise. So I replaced the timing chain, the tensioner, and the guides. Checked the VVT, the phasers. It was in that. Swapped those out. This car's been giving me a real bad headache, so I finally came to a conclusion that it was the camshaft. It has a big amount of gap. Let me show you guys right here. Um, where is my gauges at? Give me one moment. Oh. So I don't think you guys could see that because of the light. Right there. So let's gonna crank the motor. Well, I actually took the bolt off, so I don't have the bolt for the crank. But we could try it right here. You see that? Look at that. That's a big amount. So that's where the wear's at. See how that slides in and out? Right there, look. Shouldn't do that. This lobe over here, it does not have that tolerance. Watch. Look, see that? It doesn't want to slide in there. Look at this one. It slides in like nothing. See that? Sorry about that. Look at that. Tolerance. Check these right here. It does not have that tolerance. And check this one. Does not have that tolerance. So I'm not sure on the tolerance for this engine, but this engine has been repaired due to the fact that they try to make that noise go away, and nobody has succeeded on doing that. But I'm pretty confident this is the reason why it makes that little ticking noise. Usually on cold starts it doesn't do it. I think that's because the oil is a little thicker. But as soon as the engine warms up, you get that like annoying little ticking sound. And I believe that's the reason. So I'm gonna be taking this to the machine shop, so they could inspect it and let me know if maybe these little things right here, I don't know the proper name for them right here, but I know on the bottom they tend to wear out. So hopefully it's this, and they calibrate the valve to it, or the lobes are probably worn out. I'm not sure. But if anybody with Kia Accent or those 1.6 or I believe a 2.0 liter motors have that noise, you want to inspect that. It's pretty simple. You just have 10 millimeter bolts on the valve cover. Remove that. You check every lobe pointing upwards, so you have that tolerance, and you shouldn't have that tolerance. And that's usually what clicks this right there. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I'll be removing this head. Sorry I didn't make a video, but you gotta do is just remove the intake manifold. I believe these are 12s. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 12s. You got 2 for the fuel rail. You get remove that. Remove your hoses. Remove the exhaust. I think they're like 13s, 13 millimeter bolts. Got 3, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 millimeter 13. 13 millimeter bolts. Make sure you disconnect your battery. Then you got the bracket for here, your coolant, the housing. I think it's like 310s. Disconnect your sensors and all that. And right now I'm actually removing the timing cover. You're going to take off your engine support mount. You're going to catch it, put a jack stand, put a jack, whatever fits you best. Put a piece of wood. I got mine between the transmission and the engine, the jack stand. You're going to disconnect your ground right here. I believe that's a 15. And then you got your bolts. Remove the water pump. Those are all 10s. And then you got 10s and I think some 12s on the timing cover. I'm actually in the process of doing that. I'll be removing this timing cover. Then I'll be loosening up that. Well, I'll be putting a top dead center. Then be loosening up the tensioner. Yeah, this is my second time taking this engine apart. As I said, at first I thought it was the phasers that were ticking. Due to the old ones being a little worn out. So, but that didn't really make a difference. I put an oil stabilizer to see if it got better. It got better, but as the engine warmed up, it started coming. The little ticking noise started coming back. So it left me with no doubt that it was the freaking excuse my language, the lifters. So that's what I'm be doing right now. Hope this video helps. Save you guys the headache. So if you like this video, please give me likes, subscribe, and any comments, let me know. Probably making a video when I put this back together and showing you guys the difference. I know I should have made the video with the noise, the sound it was making. I think these engines are very common for doing that. So yeah, thank you guys.